Good morning everybody. This video is audio test unit 9 for grade 1. Question number 1. Sand castle. Sand castle. Question number 2. Music. Music. Question number 3. Shells. Shells. Question number 4. Paint a picture. Paint a picture. Question number 5. Listen to music. Listen to music. Question number 6. Look for shells. Look for shells. Question number 7. Catch a fish. Catch a fish. Question number 8. Take a picture. Take a picture. Question number 9. Read a book. Read a book. Question number 10, the last question. Make a sandcastle. Make a sandcastle. Thank you and good luck.